Okay, so this is going up in my shop as a teacher gift. It's laser cut, UV printed, and it took me only a couple of files to download to get started. My simple builds, we make it. Hey, what's up? Brad here from My Simple Builds. On this channel, I share the tips, tricks, and behind the scenes process behind the projects that I make, plus all the mistakes that I've made along the way, so that you don't have to. Today, we're building a notepad holder for a teacher gift, and instead of a decoupage finish that the design was originally intended for, we're going to UV print it instead. The first stop is atom.com. That's ATOMM.com. It's a free file library for laser cutting and engraving, and the cool part is that you can either download the file straight to your computer or open it directly into Xtool Creative Space if you're running an Xtool machine. We're searching for a notepad holder, and the one that we want is this, the decoupage post-it note holder. Now, this design is built for a decoupage finish, meaning that you would normally glue a printed paper onto the surface. But we're skipping that step entirely and UV printing our design directly onto the wood instead. Before we jump into the laser, quick heads up, Xtool gives me a discount and gift cards on some of the equipment I use. And I've got Xtool and Amazon affiliate links in the description below, meaning that I earn a small commission if you buy through them. All of my opinions that are expressed here are completely my own. All right, so we're bringing the file into XCS and cutting it on the M1 Ultra. This is a straightforward cut file. No engraving needed since we're printing our art separately. Now, if you've got the inkjet module for the M1 Ultra or M2, you can actually print directly onto the wood the same way that we're going to do here with the UV printer. No separate machine is required. If you don't have that module, engraving your design in grayscale is your next best option. You'll lose the color, but it'll still look clean. And if neither of those work for you, this file was originally designed for decoupage, so you can always go the traditional route and glue a printed classroom design right onto the surface. For the print design, I wanted something specific to a classroom, so I turned to Gemini to generate the artwork. I asked for a cartoon-style line art drawing with a watercolor feel, featuring classroom items such as glue sticks, pens, pencils, rulers, paper clips, books, etc. Basically anything you'd find scattered around an elementary classroom. Once I had a version I liked, I downloaded it and got it ready for the UV printer. We load the file into the printer software, line it up, and cut the piece, and then let it run. All right, now that it's all printed, let's talk assembly. Once both pieces are done, the cut base and the printed piece, assembly is simple. Wood glue works great here, or if you want something that grabs the wood faster, a super glue style such as Starbond Thick does the job too. Just make sure that everything is dry fit and square before the glue goes on. You don't get a second chance with super glue. All right, so last step, let's make it personal. Now, I'm just using this one as an example, but some of the things that you can do here is add a teacher's name, classroom number, or whatever fits. This is what turns it from a notepad holder into an actual gift. I do have these items available on my website, so if you'd like to purchase them and have it personalized, you can do so. But if you want to make your own and sell them on your site, that's great too. And that's it, a laser cut UV printed notepad holder that took one free file and turned it into something that a teacher will actually keep on their desk. If you make one of these, drop a comment and let me know how it turned out. And stick around, I've got another back to school build coming next Friday. Well, it's time for me to get back to filling orders. I'm Brad and this is My Simple Builds. Until next time, go make something. We build with love and care.
every sign and keepsake made by hand right there.